Hi guys, very good morning. Hope you're having a nice day ahead of you. My wishes. Enjoy your day ahead. Okay, further to the problems that you are facing, let's get back to a solution. Think a scenario wherein you have been allocating small tasks to your team members. Some of the tasks that could be completed within a span of a few hours, some a few days, some a few minutes. Now, what happens here? Most of the times what we find is the deadlines are missed. That is, the deadlines that you have given to one of the team members has been missed. Reason, he prioritized something else and your priority went down to a bottom level. What happens? All the multiple tasks allocated to a lot of us, a lot of the team members is disorganized. No one has a track of what are the things that needs to be done or allocated by the manager, allocated by the business owner. No complete list of those. No comprehensive list. Right? You face the same thing day in and day out. Or chaos in your organization. If you take it lightly, yes, a lot of things go down which never happens. A lot of functions that needs to be done are sometimes done with a lot of delay, with a lot of follow-ups. It becomes, you come in the morning, you start racking your brains, calling up people, asking him the progress on each of the works. You start calling up each and every one. You find the answers not positive a lot of times. You get frustrated. Your whole day is lost in this chaos of following up and getting the things done. What happens? A poor time management for you, lot of effort, lot of time, lot of mental peace is lost in that. There are a lot of communication breakdowns. I give an example. A work allocated to A. The A needs the support of B and C to finish that task within a time span of 3 days. Unfortunately, the communication distortion between A, B and C is what creates a kind of stress within that team. Right? You experience this scenario? There is a lot of stress and burnout both within the team members and also as a business owner to you, which is a great disaster. A lot of very expensive time is spent on doing mundane works, things that could be done better in an organized manner. There are quality issues which come in a lot of times as there is no proper flow of data between the members. The members break down the communication, the quality of the output goes down, you find a lot of problem, right? At the end of the day, progress tracking, as mentioned earlier, is a hassle. Is filled with a lot of frustrations right from the morning. To understand, know, call, get the guy online, see the progress of things. You actually don't know what percentage of the work has been done, what percentage is left. An overall picture, you just have a few numbers, you just have few ideas, no consolidated data on anything. Now, how do you manage this? Technically, the best way is break a whole task into smaller pieces. Then focus at one thing at one time. If you divert your focus into multiple things, it comes to a scenario where a lot of works, a lot of tasks has been initiated, some have been started, some have not been started, some are still on the paper, the actual work has not started, some have moved further, all in different layers if you put on a graph. End of the day, are you getting what you wanted? Sure. Are you getting? Check on that. Are you spending your time on things that are not wanted or things that could be avoided? Get a grip on the management. Get a grip on your team. Set realistic deadlines that could be used by the people. People know what needs to be done and what can be done within the time frame. Collaborate with teams or create a team of collaborative members where they talk to each other. Rather than sending out an email and setting for days or hours to get a reply, they pick up the phone or walk into a table, talk and sort out the issue. Get the thing moving, get the car rolling, right? Set useful reminders on your system so you know on this date you need to be reminded that this particular task was to be completed or was to be given an update. You needed to get an update on that, on the completion status or on the progress status, right? Set up realistic reminders for that. What happens? Prevent overexhaustion. Prevent your problems. Set realistic plans, realistic ideas, implement those, it becomes easier, right? How do you manage the productivity of employees? How do you have a view of the you need a few basic things that will ease productivity or ease employee satisfaction, increase employee satisfaction. They have a comfort level working with you, right? The best way is avoid micromanaging people. You don't need to micromanage a guy who is capable of close work. What happens? By micromanaging, you lose your valuable time which can be dedicated to getting more business, growing your business, rather than getting small mundane tasks done by the team. The guys are capable, let them do the job. You have the managers, you have the team leaders who run the show. They should be able to run the show. Let them run the show. Don't get into it and waste your valuable time, right? Encourage flexible working time. It helps a lot. Once you have a proper set of tasks allocated, explained, and predefined set of works to be done in that, it becomes easy for the employee to give you good output. You need not be very rigid on the work times. You can be flexible. It helps them mentally and emotionally to be stable. Help them to put in more effort and a more productive day for you. As a business owner, what do you and I need? The biggest question, do you need to manage their time or do you need them to give you an output? Right? You need output. Yes, best way, let them be on their own. Make sure the output comes to you. You have a dedicated, proper system in the back end which has a bird's eye view for you on the task, on the productivity, on the output. Use that. Let the team collaborate with themselves. Let them manage their work rather than we getting in managing. Let them do it. The best champion part of a team is the team communication. Encourage communication and get out of the playground. Be in the gallery. Watch how the team plays. See on the results. You have good results,